Docker in DevOps and CI/CD. Modern software delivery relies heavily on automation. Docker plays a central role in DevOps workflows. CI/CD pipelines automate building, testing, and deployment. Containers provide consistency across environments. Lesson objectives. Understand DevOps fundamentals. Learn continuous integration concepts. Learn continuous delivery and deployment. Explore CI/CD pipelines. Understand Docker's role in automation. What is DevOps? DevOps equals development plus operations. Goals. Better collaboration. Faster releases. Higher reliability. Increased automation. Continuous improvement. Traditional software delivery. Developer builds software. Operations deploy software. Manual processes. Delays and errors. Traditional workflows often create bottlenecks. Problems before DevOps. Slow releases. Manual deployments. Environment differences. Communication gaps. Deployment failures. DevOps was created to solve these challenges. Goals of DevOps. DevOps focuses on faster delivery, improved collaboration, automation, reliability, continuous feedback. The DevOps lifecycle. Plan, develop, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. Where Docker fits in. Docker supports development, testing, deployment, operations. Containers become the standard deployment unit. Why Docker is important. Without Docker, development is not equal to testing is not equal to production. With Docker, development equals testing equals production. Consistency improves dramatically. What is continuous integration? Continuous integration, CI, means developers frequently merge code into a shared repository. Each change triggers automated validation. Goals of continuous integration. Detect bugs early. Improve code quality. Reduce integration issues. Automate testing. Frequent integration improves stability. Continuous integration workflow. Developer commit. Source repository. Automated build. Automated tests. Feedback. Docker in continuous integration. Docker can build images, run tests, create test environments, standardize builds. Containers make testing predictable. Example CI pipeline. Developer pushes code. CI server starts. Docker build. Run tests. Generate results. What is continuous delivery? Continuous delivery means applications are always ready for deployment. Manual approval may still occur before release. Continuous delivery workflow. Build. Test. Package. Ready for deployment. Software remains release ready. What is continuous deployment? Continuous deployment means every successful change is automatically deployed. No manual approval required. Continuous deployment workflow. Build. Test. Deploy automatically. Production. Why Docker works well with CD. Docker images are portable, consistent, reproducible, versioned. These qualities simplify deployments. Understanding CI/CD pipelines. Code. Build. Test. Docker image. Registry. Deployment. Automation drives the entire process. Docker build stage. Command. Docker build. Creates a deployable image. Images become reusable deployment artifacts. Automated testing with Docker. Benefits. Consistent environments. Repeatable results. Faster testing. Reduced configuration problems. Docker registries. After building. Docker push. Image stored in registry. Examples. Docker Hub. Private registry. Cloud registry. Deployment stage. Pull image. Create container. Start application. Verify health. Docker simplifies deployment automation. Infrastructure as code. Infrastructure configuration stored as code. Benefits. Version control. Repeatability. Automation. Consistency. Why automation matters. Automation reduces human error, manual work, deployment time. Automation improves reliability. Popular CI/CD tools. Examples. Jenkins. GitHub Actions. GitLab CI/CD. Azure DevOps. Circle CI. All integrate well with Docker. GitHub Actions example. Developer commit. GitHub Actions. Docker build. Run tests. Push image. Deploy. Benefits of Docker in CI/CD. Consistent builds. Reliable testing. Faster deployments. Better portability. Improved automation. Real-world example. E-commerce application. Developer commit. CI pipeline. Docker build. Automated tests. Image registry. Production deployment. Common beginner mistakes. Skipping automated tests. Manual deployments. Poor version control. Improper secret management. Inconsistent environments. DevOps best practices. Automate builds. Automate testing. Use version control. Monitor applications. Track health metrics. Use Docker images. How Docker supports DevOps. Docker helps teams release faster. Deploy frequently. Improve reliability. Reduce downtime. Increase consistency. Benefits of DevOps, CI/CD, and Docker. DevOps. Collaboration. Automation. CI/CD. Continuous validation. Faster delivery. Docker. Consistency. Portability. Interview question. Question. Why is Docker commonly used in CI/CD pipelines? Answer. Docker provides consistent, portable, and reproducible environments for building, testing, and deploying applications, making automation more reliable and predictable. Key takeaways and lesson summary. DevOps improves software delivery. CI automates integration and testing. CD automates software releases. Docker supports the entire CI/CD lifecycle. Containers improve consistency and reliability. Docker is a core technology in modern DevOps.